go to town. No, we don't lock them again. No, I think we have locked it again.
No,
Okay, don't worry. We know what to do. We will lock it. We go lock them.
Don't worry. It's case number 3.
Madam, you led staffs out.
Yes, sir.
What capacity are you doing that? What capacity?
I am the president of our joint union of the FCTA, the workers that work for the administration, that work for Mr. Wike and his team.
So why are you out?
You new? This thing has been on for more than 1 week. We've rolled out our issues, our list of grievances. And it started last week, Monday on the 19th. We have not really come to a compromise, and they dragged us to court. Even though we're not coming out in our numbers, we're just staying at home.
Some are staying at home?
I said we were not coming out the past 1 week in our numbers. We were just staying at home until they dragged us to court. And so we all came and went to court.
Who dragged you to court?
Our honorable minister and his team.
What are the offenses of ministers?
It's not an offense, so it's just that there are grievances that we have. To him, they might not be. I am not happy that I'm a staff. I'm sure all of you know that we just see pensioners littering all over the street. That after you retire, before you even get your money that you have contributed is a problem. Then what happens? That when I'm still in service and my money was collected as contributory pension scheme and it wasn't taken to my pension house. That is one. So we told them, why is our pension still not going, not being remitted? They are coming up now to tell us that there were some policies that were that they were supposed to fulfill before it will go, before they will, before whatever. But they were not remitting our pension from May 2025, and we are more than 31,000 staff. And so you can imagine what it is. And if we are at work and our pension is not being remitted, what if we go out? What if we leave the service? And then we have issues with our promotion that we just held, CBT promotions, that had so many hitches. We tried to bring it to them, look into these hitches. They didn't. They went ahead and just brought out the promotion. And we're saying no to it. They need to review, because we inspected and we saw the issues. We saw the glitches. No, you'll be writing, NEPA will go off before your computer will boot. A problem. You have invalid login, just little things. And then we talked about it's not happening. Our National Housing Fund has issues. Our training, we since 2023 we don't enjoy training. Directors will retire. They'll say directors don't go, just sit. And then when the directors sit and it does not move, you don't expect growth from under to on top. So they keep elongating the tenures. So far, we learned that on the line, that they have met some of the agitations, which we do not know. We're demanding for our promotion areas. We are also asking that from now henceforth, they should provide us with tools to work. Normally, when the government pays overhead to our agencies, they will use it to buy paper, tuna. There is nothing to work in there, no overhead. Offices are dry, you can't do anything. You can't, if you want to do something, you go to the business center. In fact, there are places that when you go now and just say, I'm an FCT staff, they'll ask you which agency, because they have everything, your letterhead, for you to do your ID cards, so many issues. I've never seen where an organization will tell its staff, we cannot provide you with ID card until you pay. So it got to that. That if we must hang our ID card, it used to be printed here. We will come here and collect our ID card. But now policies have come, and there are different kinds of policies that we do not know, and we needed to talk with him. Sir, do you know that these kinds of things even happen? You know, no audience, no, and so they are on and on and on.
So the court case is on now.
It will be back tomorrow. It's adjourned to tomorrow.
Can you just share what happens in the court today?
I'm not a lawyer to speak in that capacity, but all I know is we are coming back to court tomorrow.
Before he came to FCT, they have been FCT minister, and he's going to live here as an FCT minister. So he's coming here, he's coming back. It is our that's because it's our right. He has destroyed the entire system. The commission that was called to be, that he came to implement it. If this is how a commission should work, if the ICC commission should work, then there would have been no need. But we know that move was the right one, and the commission must function in the way it ought to be functioned, in the spirit it ought to be functioned, and in the body that it ought to be functioned.
Oh yes.
Victimization of the staff.
I'm not saying only you. Are you staff not scared that it's going to move for your sack?
A people united can never be divided.
And individual
We are. The reason he is here. He is nobody. We are. The reason he is the FCT minister. Without the workers of FCT minister, he is a nobody. We are. The reason we go kill.
How many people we can go start?
Hey, he go sack us tire.
He go sack us tire. How many people we can go start?
Kudu we can go sack. Kudu.
How many people we can go start? How many people we can go start? How many people we can go start?
Hey, he go sack us tire. He go sack us tire. He go sack us tire.
How many people we can go start?
As you can see, this is just the beginning. This is not rivers. This is a miniature Nigeria. What happened in river cannot happen in FCT. We cannot allow one individual citizen in Nigeria to toy the whole country. It's not possible. And let it be known to the world today that he said that FCT workers are not registered. Then we want to prove to him that yes, we are workers with dignity. He has gone to the court. He's not the first person that go to the court that win any court issue. And he said that in his submission that we can never change our position. We must give us what is due to the Nigerian workers.
And we lost it as at yesterday. That's it. We are still heading back to court. Tomorrow by doctors. He's going to notify court. Of course, definitely. So that means the status stuff is not maintained. It's not maintained. It's not maintained. Yes, we don't know, but we met it openly.
Workers have been pushed to the wall. At this material time, he cannot do anything. We cannot be pushed to the back. And so that is our stand. That is our stand. That is our stand.
Having your head of any all you do this, and they do it. We've been left